Hello you guys. So today we have another Nadine West unboxing. I'm so excited. I haven't done one of these in a minute. So let's get into it. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
My name is Chantel from tryonhaul.com. These are my two girls, Selena and Eden. I am a Christian mom and wife and a relationship expert. And I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives and healthy families. Welcome to our channel and we hope that you love the video. So Nadine West, she sends me clothes to share with you guys. And let's see what we got, y'all. She's a clothing subscription service for women. I'm gonna pull these out. And if you are a busy woman on a budget, but you still wanna look cute, and you don't have time to go to the store, then Nadine West is here for you, girl. So here's a little sticker, comes in a pink package, says Nadine West. You fill out a style profile on nadinewest.com and she'll hook you up with some clothes. And you pay $9 for shipping, and anything that you don't like, you just send it back, and if you do like it, those $9 apply right to your order. Okay, so I'm gonna put the accessories to the side. It's purple. What is it? What is it? Okay, it's so like that. I like that color, y'all. It looks like a shirt. Okay, and then there was leggings. Those are cute. They're very flowery, floral. And there was, oh, it's a dress. Oh, how springy and cute is that? And stay tuned because I'm gonna try these clothes on for you. And there was, oh, it's another dress. Oh my gosh, it's so like business, mompreneur. Love it. And more leggings. Oh, these look super comfy, and they got some little embellishments. What do you call this? They're slits. Okay, guys, I forgot about the accessories. So we got some earrings. And I just want to let you know that all the prices for the items will be on tryonhaul.com. And also, if you would like to subscribe to Nadine West, there is a link in the description box below that you can check out, and you can subscribe on there. Look at those! Aren't those so fun? Oh, those are so fun. Okay, let's go try them on. So you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave your favorite outfit in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. What's an outfit that you can see yourself wearing? Don't forget to subscribe to Nadine West. Link is in the description box below. And I will leave my final reactions to all the outfits on tryonhaul.com. I'll see you guys on the next one. Hugs and kisses.